Welcome back and welcome to the start of Baking in Our Christmas Jammies. I'm so excited to start this series. So over the next couple of weeks, we will be baking all sorts of holiday candy, cookies, appetizers, and breakfast foods, perfect for the Christmas morning. And we're going to be baking in our Christmas jammies. As you can see, I have mine on. I'll show you the full outfit. And you're welcome to get into your most comfortable Christmas jammies and slippers and bake right along with me. I hope you do. And if you want to just stay as you are, that is also fine. We're going to make all sorts of great recipes. And because it's all about the holidays and everything, you'll want to keep these recipes for years and years. So what I want to show you how to do, and this is what I've done for years with my outschool students, I give them a baking cookbook cover. And I personalize it for them, and then they use it to keep all of their recipes all neat and tidy. So I encourage you to do that for all the recipes. I'm going to give you nice printouts that you can put in your cookbook. So regardless of age, this is a thing to do. If you add a comment with the name that you want on your cookbook, I will send you a link that will have a printable cookbook cover. So you can use this to put a cover on a binder or to staple all your recipes together with that on top. So within your binder, what you can do is purchase these plastic sheet protectors that will protect each of your recipes. That way, if you're baking and something spills on your cookbook, you can easily wipe it off. If something, melt sloshes on there, you can easily wipe it off. Keeps it all nice and neat and doesn't have a reminder of what you made last time you were cooking. So this is great. It's a great idea for everybody to do. So now that we know how to put our cookbook together, we need our first recipe. And I will be posting that video and recipe soon. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow me so you don't miss it. Bye.